Hello to all traders and welcome back to the market review brought to you by Orbex. So where else can we start on this Monday than the news that Joe Biden has dropped out of running for a second term in November and has endorsed his Vice President Kamala Harris into the driving seat. So what's basically is the market looking at now? Well, it was priced in that Trump was going to have an easy win, especially after his recent attack, and also the fact that the recent TV debate where Biden really fluffed these lines saw Trump in the driving seat. But now it seems like with a new foe or new competitor with against Trump running into the next 3 months in the presidential race, we could have some swings in the polling, and it could not be such an easy ride for Donald Trump. What would this mean? Well, the market was priced in, as I said, that Trump was going to win. This is due to the fact that he was going to have deregulation, and also lower taxes. But on the flip side, we could see some stocks struggling under Donald Trump as well. But with Harris supposedly his running partner for the next 3 months, we could see more of a big shock in the market. Markets have opened on this Monday morning pretty flat. We didn't really see much of gold or dollar really moving. We've seen a bit of a slide on Friday with gold from its record height. And we're seeing now, obviously, excuse me, on the chart at just over 24.80. Now we're trading at the 2400 handle. So $80 drop on Friday's session, the Thursday and Friday session. And we're just seeing now on the 1 hour chart where we can go from here. Well, actually, it was from Wednesday that we started seeing the sell-off begin. We were seeing possibly a slight correction in the gold market, but we are expecting another swing high. More evidently, though, we have been tracking on the weekly chart for the last few weeks. I'll just bring it a little bit higher. So we were expecting basically these 3 peaks, which we have seen on gold. So we had the first one, the second one, and now the third one. Are we gearing up for a fourth one? This is on the weekly chart, don't forget. We are expecting a slight sell-off. So all eyes will be if we can hold this particular support roughly around, well, just above 22.90, roughly about that kind of area, to see if we're going to have another swing higher. So the presidential candidate election race hasn't really come into full swing yet. We have obviously got 3.5 months to go, but don't forget Kamala Harris will have to be elected as the main person in the Democratic race against the Republicans, because if that doesn't happen, you could see a bit of a flare-up or some opposition in the party. But most of the big governors, state of California, state of Ohio as well for the Democrats, have endorsed Kamala Harris as well as Obama and Hillary Clinton. So the odds are that she will be up against Trump in November. It will just depend on how much of an impact she'll have on the market. But as I said, on this Monday opening, we haven't really seen too much in fluctuations in the market. Bring it back to the hourly chart. We're just waiting now to see if gold can up the momentum. As I said, this is a very heavy support for gold, but we still are trading roughly over $100 away, so it is still got quite a lot to go. Obviously, tensions in the Middle East are not helping with the gold price fluctuations either. We're looking at the index now let's go to the 4 hour chart just to see a bit more of an intraday rhetoric. And as you can see here, we are kind of slumping a little bit lower on the dollar. Did have a bit of a lift on Friday and Thursday due to the fact that gold did slump, but is it enough to start picking up the pace and getting back to these particular highs at the 105 and 106 area? We'll have to wait and see. Just trading just above the 104 handle at the moment. So lots to digest on this Monday. Not too much in the fundamental news events today, so all eyes will be on Joe Biden. You've probably heard on the news, it's something you can't really escape. It's not really every day that a president fails to run for a second term and actually opts out due to the age and ability of the president. So we'll wait and see what happens. But as always, we'll bring you all the latest in the fundamentals and all the news events on our Telegram and YouTube channel. So stick with us, stay ahead, trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.